The Pantheon is an early example of neoclassical architecture in France, inspired by ancient temples in Rome. Its facade resembles the Pantheon in Rome, with a Corinthian portico and massive dome. Now, originally intended as a church during the French Revolution in 1791, it was secularized and turned into a mausoleum to honor the great men and later women of France. And since then, its status has shifted back and forth between religious and secular, but today it firmly serves as a secular temple of memory. Now, the Pantheon is often described as the French Hall of Fame. Notable figures buried here include Voltaire, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, Victor Hugo, Émile Zola, Alexandre Dumas, Marie Curie, Jean Moulin, and Simone Weil. As of today, there are over 80 national figures resting in the crypt. So what we're going to find inside is an interior filled with murals and sculptures depicting French history, from Clovis and Joan of Arc to the Revolution. A massive dome is 83 meters high, giving spectacular views across Paris, similar in prominence to the Eiffel Tower, which is pretty cool. And in 1851, physicist Leon Foucault demonstrated the rotation of the Earth here with his famous Foucault pendulum, and today a replica still hangs in the dome. Another cool thing, if you're coming here, we're not going to have time to do it today, but you can go to Luxembourg Gardens. They're not that far away from here. Now, it is open to the public with access to the crypt where the greats are buried and the dome terrace for panoramic city views. It's especially popular for those interested in French history and literature. how cool is that? I'm going to go see the crypts of some famous people. Marie Curie, the first female to win the Nobel Peace Prize. You got to see Braille, who created Braille for blind people. There's a lot of cool things. The pendulum that you saw in there, it was put up there in 1851. Now, the physicist Leon Foucault, demonstrated the rotation of the Earth here with his famous Foucault pendulum. Today, a replica still hangs in the dome, so we at least know that the Earth rotates. Now, is it round or is it flat? Inquiring minds want to know. So to get in, it was €16. If you're 18 to 25, it's free. Kids are free. They do have a viewing deck up there. However, it was closed. Seems to be the theme of my trip. Every observation deck seems to be closed. So if you have any questions about the Pantheon, let me know and I'll do my best to answer.